life. She pushed through the pressure, rise from the strife. Her beaches, her hills, her hard-working way. Show the whole world how she shine every day. She teach resilience with every breeze. Teach joy in the simplest memories. A nation shaped in her gentle hands. A woman of power who forever stands. And when the rain falls heavy upon the land, she bounced right back, strong and grand. No magic, no mystery, no ancient tale. Just a woman with will who refused to fail. She Jamaica, our land, oh queen. Strong, brave, beautiful and evergreen. Her heart beat loud in every street. Her rhythm moves steady like a drumline beat. Oh, she carry we when times get tough. Oh, love alone is more than enough. She a Jamaica, our land, oh queen. Jamaica, our land, oh queen. Our land, oh queen. So we hail to the queen with respect and love. A place we proud of, we never let go of. Simple, powerful, steady and clean. Jamaica forever, our motherland queen.